morning to all. What we have learned in the previous class, already we learned the characteristics of living things. Okay, what are the characteristics of living things? Living things can breathe, living things move, living things grow, living things feel, and then living things reproduce, living things breathe. Okay, these are all the characteristics of living things. Living things are those which have life in them, so that things are called the living things. Okay, non-living things are those which do not have life. Okay, living things na உயிர் உள்ளது எல்லாம் பார்த்தோம். என்னெல்லாம் சொன்ன, plants, animals, human beings, these are all the living things. Okay, today we are going to learn about the characteristics of non-living things. Can you list some non-living things? Door, window, bench, desk, chair, table. These are all the non-living things. Okay, so today we learn the characteristics of a non-living things. First, does a water bottle grow? Does a water bottle grow? No, that water bottle, this is a non-living thing. Okay, that water bottle is a non-living things, because non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not grow. It's okay. This is a pencil. Does a pencil grow? Does a pencil breathe? Does a pencil breathe? No, that pencil is a non-living thing. That pencil is a non-living things. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. This is a glass door container, glass container. Okay, this glass container move. Does a glass container move? No, the glass container move on its own. No, the glass container is a non-living thing. Okay, non-living things do not move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. Okay, so they move only when someone moves them. Now I move this container. Okay, I keep the container on the bench. So non-living things, the non-living things, so when someone moves them. Okay, and then non-living things do not move. Non-living things do not move on their own. See this duster. Does a duster feel pain? Does a duster feel pain? No, the duster is a non-living thing. Okay, no, the duster is a non-living things. Okay, so that non-living things do not feel. This is a chalk. This is a chalk. Does a chalk grow? Sorry, this is a chalk. Does a chalk have babies? Does a chalk have babies? No, the chalk is a non-living thing. Okay, the chalk do not reproduce. The chalk do not reproduce. So, non-living things do not reproduce. This is a book. This is a book. Does a book need food? Does a book need food? No. That book is a non-living thing. Because non-living things no need to eat food. Okay, non-living things no need to eat food. Do not need food. Okay, so these are all the characteristics of a non-living things. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things என்ன செய்யாது வளராது. Okay, and then non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things breathe பண்ணுமா? breathe பண்ணாது. Non-living things do not move on their own. அதெல்லாம் ஓனா மூவ் ஆக முடியாது. And then non-living things do not move on their own. They move only when someone moves them. Suppose ஏதாவது ஒரு திங்ஸ் நம்ம எடுக்கணும்னா நம்ம யாராச்சும் அதை மூவ் பண்ணணும். For example, that vehicles. Anyone drive the vehicle so that that vehicles move. So non-living things do not move on their own. Non-living things do not feel. Non-living things do not reproduce. அது குட்டி போடாது, முட்டை போடாது. Non-living things do not reproduce. Non-living things do not feed. அதுக்கு என்னது ஃபுட்டு வேண்டாம், சாப்பிட வேண்டாம், ஏன்னா அது வளரணும், ப்ரீத் பண்ணணுங்கிறது இல்லை. ஸோ non-living things do not need food. Next one, the differentiate between the living and non-living things. Next one, differentiate between differences between living and non-living things. Living things living things and non-living things. Now say living things need food to live. நம்ம உயிர் வாழ்றதுக்கு என்ன தேவை? ஃபுட்டு தேவை. பட் non-living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not need food. And then living things can breathe. They can breathe. They can breathe. Non-living things can breathe? No, the non-living things cannot breathe. So, they cannot breathe. They cannot breathe. They move on their own. Non-living things, they do not move on their own. They feel. Non-living things, they do not feel. They reproduce by young ones. They reproduce. Non-living things, they do not reproduce. Okay, listen, the differences between living and non-living things. What are the differences between living and non-living things? Listen, living things need food to live. நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், சாப்பிட்டாதான் நம்மளால உயிர் வாழ முடியும். But non-living things need food? No, non-living things do not need food. They can breathe. They cannot breathe. They move on their own. They do not move on their own. They feel. They do not feel. They reproduce. They do not reproduce. Living things, they grow. They grow. They do not grow. They do not grow. Okay, these are all the differences between living and non-living things. Next we learn, let us learn that natural and man-made things. What are the natural things? That non-living things either by natural or a man-made things. Okay, so things provided by nature are called the natural things. Okay, things provided by nature are called the natural things. What are the things provided by nature? Can you list some natural things? Things provided by nature are called the natural things. Things provided by nature are called natural things. Can you list some natural things? Anybody know? That's the examples of mountain, ocean, air, water and stone. These are all the examples of natural things. Okay, and then next one is the man-made things. What are the man-made things? Things are made by man or human beings are called man-made things. Things are made by man are called man-made things. Man-made things. Examples. Can you tell some man-made things? Swimming pool, buildings, buildings, pencil, car, etc. These are only man-made things. Okay. So what is the natural things? Things provided by nature are called the natural things. Say some examples. What are the natural things? Mountain, ocean, air, water and so stone. These are all the examples of natural things. And then things are made by man are called the man-made things. Okay. So examples of man-made things, that swimming pool, buildings, pencil, car, etc. Okay. So these are all the man-made things. Now tell what are the today what we learn? So we will learn that characteristics of non-living things and then natural and man-made things. What are the characteristics of non-living things? Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not feel. Non-living things do not move on their own. Non-living things do not need food to live. And then non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not reproduce. So these are all the characteristics of non-living things. And then next what we learn? The differences between living and non-living things. What are the differences between living things? Can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can grow. Non-living things cannot grow. And then living things move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. And then living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. And next what we learn? Next we learn the natural and man-made things. Okay, that non-living things either natural or man-made things. What are the natural things? Things provided by nature are called the natural things. Here given some examples: mountain, ocean, air, water and stone. These are all the examples of natural things. And then this is a man-made things. This is a man-made things. Things are made by man are called a man-made things. For example, here some examples: swimming pool, buildings, pencil, car, door, window, chair, benches, etc. etc. These things are made by human beings, man. So these things are called a man-made things. Can you clear this topic? Yes. Today's homework, today's EVS home assignment. Write 5 non-living, 5 living things, 5 living things, 5 living things, 5 natural things, 5 man-made things, 5 man-made things. Okay, learn and write. Okay, today's homework: learn and write 5 living things, 5 natural things and then 5 man-made things. Okay, this is today's homework. Thank you.